So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a SIM or also known as a subscriber identity module, as you can see. And today we'll be seeing what's inside one of these SIM card so that it works. So, let's crack it open and check out what's inside this SIM. And to do that, I'm gonna be and to do that I'm gonna be heating this SIM card from the back, and this thing will pop out. Hopefully this thing will pop out, as you can see. Hopefully I don't burn my fingers. And as you can see, it's coming out. And this is what we find inside a SIM card, as you can see. As you can see, a tiny chip which is which contains all your contacts, which is stored inside the SIM, and a unique subscriber identity number known as, well, inside this we inside we inside the SIM card we find an integrated circuit, as you can see, which holds all your contact information and a unique serial number known as International Subscriber Identity or IMSI number, which is exchanged during when you insert your SIM card and you are registered on a network, for example Jio, Airtel, or whatever you are using. And from there on, those telecom operators manage users internationally. Like if you are roaming or anything, they have contracts with other operators in other countries. For example, if you are using STC SIM uh, from Saudi Arabia and you come roaming to India, you will be they have partnership with Airtel and all that here, so you'll be registered on an Airtel network, and they, when you're using their service, they get us a huge fee from there, and that's how things work. And now let's try to melt it down, this one also, and see what happens, whether I can take it out or not. So as you can see, I have successfully taken out the this grain of dust which you can see on my tip of finger contains all the this is your entire sim, as you can see on on the tip of my finger. And these are nothing but all the traces which connect them to simply adapt the size to a bigger size, as you can see, but the sim itself is very small. Nowadays we are getting embedded sim replacing this traditional sim card. So embedded sims are almost invisible.